I'm Dr. Tulsi Lala, and I'm returning after taking Core 1 for Core 1 Plus a month later. As a returning student, I definitely feel like I've gained more confidence. By returning, I'm able to focus more on the techniques and angulation of the implants, so I definitely benefited coming in for the second time. I feel like the speed was better and it was just much more easier to treat the patients. I think Core 1 Plus is much more faster paced than Core 1, and because you have the experience that you gain from the core courses, it's just easier to get more in the groove of treating these patients and making independent decisions on how and where to place implants. I placed 18 implants in total in 2 days. Core 1 Plus was definitely worth it. Doing Core 1 is a basic introduction, and then getting the Core 1 Plus just gives you a boost of confidence, and you just feel so much more confident going into practice and starting to take on more complicated cases, and just learning from mistakes that I made. I'm able to troubleshoot when I get into practice. So that's something that I took out of Core 1 Plus that was different than Core 1.